We'll guide you through how to turn off safe mode on a Samsung Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you went into safe mode, perhaps you're having some type of problem and you wanted to go and resolve it with it, or there's another reason why. But now you finished with it and you want to get it back to normal. As being in safe mode isn't ideal, as you can't really go and use your phone for much because you don't have connections, but also you're going to go and find that apps are unavailable, or third-party apps I should say. So we can go and get out of here and we can go and start using our phone as normal again. So I'm going to show you some different ways you can go about this. Make sure this full video in case one of them doesn't work for you, and just so you know the different options you've got. So for the first way, you can go and swipe up and you want to go and find the option for settings. As you can see, you may just swipe across to go and find it and open them up. Then in here, you can go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for accessibility, and you can go and tap there. Now in here, you need to go and find the option for interaction and dexterity. You can tap there. At the top, find the option for assistant menu and switch that on. You need to go and press allow. Now you're going to go and get this button here. So we can come out of here or stay here, it doesn't matter. Press the button. And then what you need to do is you need to go across by using the arrow buttons and find the option for power off menu. You can tap there and then you can go and press restart. Your device will restart and it will be out of safe mode. Alternatively, another way you can go and do this is you can go and drag down at the top like so. You'll go and have some notifications here. And what you need to do is go and find the option for safe mode. It goes and says safe mode is on. Tap here to turn off safe mode. So I'll go and tap there. You're going to go and get a pop-up saying turn off safe mode. It says your phone will restart and all your apps will be available again. So you can try pressing that there to go and get out of safe mode. See if that goes and works for you. Alternatively, you can go and use the button. I see this still lasts, not everybody likes using it, and sometimes it may not be working. But what you can do is go and tap and hold this button. Then you'll go and see the options and we can press restart and confirm the choice to go and restart by pressing that again, like so. Now go and wait, the device is going to start restarting. So this can take a minute or two. It will go and depend on your device. This device is a little slower, so it takes a bit more time to go and restart. But shortly we should go and see the screen come back on, as you can see at Samsung. Now it will come back on and you'll go and see it no longer says safe mode. I'll just go and enter in my PIN here and I'll just go and show you that I can now go and access all of the apps again. As you can see, the apps are now available and I can go and use my phone as normal. And you can go and turn off airplane mode as well to go and get connections.